This guy doesn't look like Chinese. I know. I get that many reactions a lot. Very Chinese name, but has no single resemblance to being Chinese. I'm already hurt. All right. Emotional damage. Wow. I have to admit, I never had a crowd this big in my entire life. This is a nerve-wracking task for me, but I am elated at the same time for speaking on behalf of the bravest, inspiring people of Anderson College, class of 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and class of 2023. Yoo-hoo! We finally made it! To all dedicated staff and faculty, incredible loved ones and support groups, like our sincerest friends and allies who have helped us in the pursuit of our dreams, we are so grateful for joining us today to celebrate the season finale of the incredible job you've done. We're not just here to celebrate the completion, but also to reminisce the memories of our wonderful journey. Many of us graduating today have overcome so much adversity, but tenaciously stand with such a great attitude in facing these setbacks. It is hard to beat the surprises of life, but we are a team of valor that never give up on dreams. I have so much admiration for the bravery of the person from our class. Despite the loss of her mother, the champion and her inspiration, she continued the battle. On the other side, we also celebrate those from our class who got tied up in a sweet lifetime relationship. Congratulations to the newlyweds. Sana all. Let us give a toast also to those who were hard on the spot at their practicum facility and got their dream jobs. I believe PSW or personal support worker is just a stepping stone for bigger dreams. And so I give my golden buzzer also for everyone who has cracked the NACC exam and a little bonus for those nurses like myself who recently passed the USRN NCLEX examination. Yes, we are living the dream. This is the life that we envision. Over 10 months ago, we were all anxious and struggling with the life-work-study balance and a whole new life being international students here in Canada, especially in the midst of unprecedented times, hence the pandemic crisis. It's a whole world of challenges, including our unconventional virtual room. The Microsoft Teams has been our haven of learning, our safe space of inclusivity, a breakout room of emotions and doses of laughter, the digital record of precious memories. We may just be hanging out on the screen most days, but this technology opens up stronger connection of community and friendship among different cultures and personalities. Our class has come together so much, and we have come to be intensely unified like one big, happy family. We spent countless hours studying for exams together, preparing our best and competitive outputs, encouraging each other when times get tough through our weekend fellowships, and making every single day count. No one has left behind. In Tagalog, ika nga nila, batch na walang tapon. Classmates, congratulations. We conquered. The friendship that we have made here will last for a lifetime. In the same way we have supported and helped each other succeed in those months at Anderson College, I hope we will continue to provide support and encouragement for each other in the future endeavors. See you on the floors, my future healthcare colleagues. A quote from Bob Marley once said, "The greatness of a man is not how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively." During my time at Anderson College, I realized that success is achievable to anyone, but people who prioritize the influence of kindness and strength of character have a greater impact, can stay in the game longer. People like Miss Amelia Pokis, our PSW instructor, have invested in pushing and discovering my potential farther than I thought possible. She has a keen eye for discovering for leadership ability in our breakout room. You are our teacher, but upon signing off your computer, you become our nanay or our mother, our ate or sister, our friend, and our counselor. Miss A, thank you for believing each person to be valuable and worthy of respect. Staff and members of the PSW program, to Arwis Education and Travel Consultancy from the Philippines, who have brought our Canadian opportunity, to the truest friendship who's with me from the beginning until now, Cindy, Dian, and Ben. Where are you guys? To my support system, my family, my spiritual advisors from LMBC and ministries, which hold me with relentless strength of faith, to the Lord Jesus Christ, who, by the way, my greatest inspiration on this success story. The queen of my life, Queenie Martin, and for all those who had been part of this career path, on behalf of all the graduates today, we give you our gratitude for the wisdom and learnings you imparted on us. Fellow graduates, the bigger world is already waiting for us. But let us not just pursue success and recognition as we go into the future. Instead, more that we pursue the influence of kindness, generosity to involve, impart and exemplify good character over intelligence. Let's not get overwhelmed. This academic achievement is a great way to appreciate the excellence, hard work, and dedication invested by every student of Anderson College. But at the end of the day, when all of us are at the working station, it's no longer this excellence award that would matter, but people will be looking at your personality, your compassion, your professionalism, your attitude towards your job, and among the colleagues and clients that you work for. That's the core and the heart of being a personal support worker. And if you have not learned that, you better start from the beginning. We have much to be thankful for. The experience and inspirations we had at Anderson College, to every nursing and retirement home where we conduct our practicum, have prepared us so much that we can be certain that whatever obstacle we may face as we move forward into the future, we can defy. Not all schools offer the advantage of a great educational experience. Often on graduation day, we look outside for inspiration, but look no further, because I see them right here among us. We don't have to look far for inspiration, and we each have the potential to make an inspiring contribution to others by being true to our values and committing ourselves to lofty goals. Marcus Aurelius Antoninus, the Emperor of Rome, once said, "Never let the future disturb you. If you have to, you will meet it with the same weapons of reason which today arm you against the present." What that means is, when you live here today, celebrate what you have accomplished, but look forward with an eye toward how you too can be the inspiration for others. If you do not see the light at the end of the tunnel, consider it as an opportunity to create an opening yourself wherever you want. By Ashok Kalarkal. Fellow dreamers, you have a brighter future ahead of us. You got what it takes. Be the inspiration if you can find one. Congratulations, and to God be the glory.